Tradesman Nutrition is marketed as a supplement brand designed to support energy, performance, recovery, and overall health for hardworking people. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, nutrition supplements can be useful in certain situations. Protein, vitamins, and performance-focused ingredients can help fill gaps in a routine. What it does well: convenient nutrition support. Supplements can be an easy way to add nutrients into a busy schedule. May support energy and recovery. Some ingredients commonly used in performance products have research behind them, where the hype falls apart. Supplements are not magic. This is the biggest issue. Products cannot replace proper sleep, nutrition, and recovery habits. Results vary from person to person. Activity levels, diet, and overall health all influence outcomes. Marketing can exaggerate expectations. Words like maximize, boost, and optimize can sound stronger than reality. So, should you buy Tradesman Nutrition? Short answer: only with realistic expectations. It may help support nutrition goals depending on the product and ingredients, but expecting dramatic results from supplements alone is likely unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.